Hey, this is a follow-up to my video that I did last fall on overwintering your red Abyssinian banana, the Ensete. Ensete. I think I'm pronouncing it right. This is where that bad girl hung out all summer, was huge, absolutely amazing. And since last fall, she's just been chilling on a shelf in the garage. Let's go take a look and get her out of the garage. All right, we're in my garage. And what's in my garage this time of year? Plants surviving from the bitter cold that is the Pacific Northwest winter. You'll see here are my Brugmansia. They've spent a couple days outside, and then I bring them in at night. They're under grow lights. Are they having an impact? Who knows? But there is some growth on them. But we are here today for my Ensete red Abyssinian banana. And look, this is where I stored it all winter. Right here on this shelf. See? I put it on a block. Look, and it's still firm. It's still firm. So I will, and that's, I just stuck it there. You know, after I did all the other things before I stuck it there. And that you can see from my previous video on overwintering your red Abyssinian banana. But anyhow, I am going to get this thing out of here and onto the patio so I can show you what we're going to do. Okay, so we have her out of the garage. Oh, can you see that? She's right there. Now, I am not putting her, oh wow, random noises in the house. Okay. I'm not putting her in the garage or in this big old pot because, well, we still have frost coming and we've got to make good choices. So instead, she's going into this giant pot with some soil, and then she's going to go in the greenhouse so she can start to come back to life and get amazing. So let me see what I can do to rearrange this video thing so you can see what I'm doing. But I do want you to check out, let's see, can I do this? Let's see, if I pause, can I flip it around? Oh, no, that's not pause. Oh, apparently I can't pause. Okay, want to show you something. So you can see she's nice and firm. Oh my gosh, you would never imagine how much lighter it is. It's all I could do to lift her up, to put her on the shelf. But now look at, I can almost knock stuff down and create a giant mess because I just can't operate a four-wheel wagon properly. Anyhow, there's a thing I wanted to show you. Okay, let's see if I can one-handed. Look at that. That's green. A little squishy there, but that's green. So she's going to come to life nicely. Okay, let me see what I had two pots. I don't know, for some reason I thought this might work. That's not going to work. And this one is like just big enough, but also I'm looking is for her to get some roots going, get some growth. It'll be like being in a nursery pot until the weather warms and I can put her back into her big pot up here on the patio. So what we're going to start with is we're going to start with, hi, can you see me? I'm going to get some soil in here. And I'm just using soil that she had last year. You know, you can either check out my wiggle or get some coffee. Hang on, I'm almost there. Okay. All right, so I'm back. We got some soil in here. Then I'm not gonna do nothing with the roots. I'm going to first of all check and see if I've got her in the right spot here. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Okay. Oh, kind of has that bent carrot thing sort of going on, but all right, I'm feeling good about that. Now I'm gonna backfill. I'm gonna backfill to get some soil right up to her hips here. And then I'm gonna put her in the garage. Check back here in a month and a half, and I'll give you an update on how things are going. And, you know, follow my socials, The Angry Gardener on Facebook, because I'm always going on about stuff that's not actually a video, just sharing pics, and you'll see what she's doing. All right. Hey, thanks for joining us. I'm gonna find the clicker. All right. Oh, where's the button? There it is. Okay. Happy gardening.